To our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add messenger shortcuts to home screen. You want to have access to your messenger very quick. This is what you're going to do. So dive in. Now go to your messenger. This is it. Let's go back here now. Now this is your messenger. Just click on it like this and move to send to desktop. You can see it sent to desktop successfully. Come back here and this is our messenger. Just come here and you can put it here, and this is it. You're gonna have quick access to your messenger. You do not need to go to your app, scroll your apps up and down before you find your messenger. Just click here. You can see following the steps that I used in taking this button back to our our home screen. Okay guys, this is it. So if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.